I'm so excited. Guess what I just got in the mail? The H1 Tufting Kit by Clawlab. And let me tell you, this is super exciting for me because I have wanted a tufting kit forever and a day. So when Clawlab reached out to me, I was like, woo, yes, please, ma'am, thank you. And they sponsored this video for me, so that's really exciting. So we're unboxing the H1 Tufting Kit today. Basically a high-speed paintbrush for yarn. I'm excited because anything that lets me make art without needing 3 weeks worth of practice is right on, super cool in my book. So let's get started unboxing this baby and see what's inside. I'm just painting my nails. Woo! Nice! First impression, everything is packed really well. Which is good because when tools travel across the country, I want them to arrive in better shape than I am after a crafting marathon. So I've taken out all the pieces in the box. Let's open the tufting gun first and check it out. Ooh, fancy! The tufting gun actually comes in its own little case. Check this out. And there it is. Look at that. Now this machine is lightweight. It only weighs about 1.2 pounds, which means my arm won't feel like I did a full gym workout after the first couple minutes. And we love a tool that supports creativity and laziness. So let's go ahead and check out what else we have in our package. And the package also came with the cord for it, and a European cord, and of course the actual cord that you plug it into. So right here, these pieces right here, we have the frame. So it shifts flat but assembles easily. Here is the tufting cloth itself. It's what we'll be using to tuft our yarn onto, or paint our yarn onto. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'll get it real close here. It's got lines across it. And along with premium tufting cloth, it also comes with a premium backing cloth. So that way you don't have to go supply shopping before you even know if you like tufting, which I think I'm gonna love it. So I'm super excited. And here is the tool kit. We've got threading tools, lubricant, a cleaning brush, and the manual. Plus we have all the tools we need to put our tufting frame together. So basically you got everything you need, so you don't need to panic Google, how do I start this thing? What's nice about this machine is that it's designed to be intuitive, so if you can draw a line, you can tuft. It's also meant to be quieter than traditional machines. So instead of sounding like you're building a motorcycle in your living room, it's more like a soft hum. And it has a fixed 15mm cut pile height, so you get consistent plush results without fiddling with knobs or buttons. And I personally appreciate any machine that removes my ability to mess things up. They include 10 colors of yarn. To me, it feels like opening up a box of crayons, except for the art might actually be useful. Everything looks sturdy and thoughtfully included, which makes this feel like a kit meant to actually get you creating, not just sitting on a shelf looking intimidating. And next, we'll put this bad boy together. Hello there. We have a little bit of change of scenery and a change of wardrobe and a change of hair. We have a change of everything. So we are going to go ahead and put this together, and it says to do it on the ground, so I'm on the floor. The first step we need to do is put this frame here. This part needs to be inserted into the frame. So we're going to go ahead and insert that. Okay, and then on down here, this part needs to be inserted into the frame. So we're going to go ahead and insert this. Okay, and then on the other side, we'll go ahead and insert the top and the bottom at the same time. Okay, and then we have screws in this little packet here that we'll use to put it together with. Okay, so then our next step is to take and insert this here into the slots, and then we'll put it on the other side on the slots and push it together. Okay, perfect. And then we do this one on this side. Push the slots together, perfect. And then we need to carefully turn it over so we can put our screws in. So we turn it over like that. And then our screws are going to go in these holes right here. So I'm going to put those in really quick. This is so cool because it comes with the screws and a screwdriver. So you literally don't have to go do anything. It comes with everything you need to get started. It even comes with an extra screw in case you lose one. That is so cool. Alright, now that we've got that put together, our next step is to flip it back over. Okay, so now our next step is to take these and place them in here. So we just put it in there, then we're going to line everything up here and then just push it down until it snaps into place. There we go. We'll do the other side. Okay, so then we're going to take our fabric that came with it and the lines that need to go vertical. I'm going to stick it onto this rod here. The Velcro makes it sticky. And then we're just going to take and nicely roll it. And then we'll stick this up here in the little slots. There we go. And then once we get it in there, we're just going to take and roll the rest of it up nice and evenly. Right. Now that we have this put together, in the next video I'm going to show you how to use it. So stick around for that. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe because you'll want to see part 2 of this when I actually use the tufting kit itself. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.